Innovative Python projects for all levels. Overview: a to-do list app is a perfect starting project to get acquainted with Python basics. This project is to create a simple program. Users can add, delete, and view tasks. Number guessing game task: create a game where the program randomly selects a number. The user must guess it within a certain range. Password generator. Overview: a program to generate strong, random passwords. It will use users' criteria, like length and character types. Weather app. Overview: build a command line or GUI app to fetch and show real-time weather data using an API. Basic web scraper. Overview: create a web scraper to extract data from websites. For instance, you could scrape news headlines, product prices, or job listings. Chatbot. Overview: create an intelligent chatbot. It must use NLP to answer user queries in natural language. AI-powered image classifier. Overview: develop an application that classifies images into predefined categories using deep learning. Train a neural network model using TensorFlow or PyTorch. Use a pre-trained model like ResNet or MobileNet for transfer learning. Create a user-friendly interface for uploading and classifying images. Social media bot. Overview: automate social media tasks like posting, following/unfollowing users, or liking posts. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python's simplicity and its vast libraries make it a top choice for developers. They want to build innovative projects. Whether you're new or an experienced developer, there's a Python project for you. It will match your skills and interests.